Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are exploring an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create crypto booster promo posters using custom shapes. Begin with a black background to create a premium fine tech mood. Add gradient circles in gold and teal for a crypto vibe. Place a coin or token logo in the center and brighten it. Add glowing strokes around the coin for power. Create digital bars using rectangles for analytic visuals. Add futuristic arrows pointing upward to show growth. Insert a grid shape at low opacity behind everything. Use blend modes to merge the grid into the background. Add headings with sharp text fonts. Apply outer glow